There are 7 question words in English. And where is one of them? The question word where is used to ask information about in or at what place or position. Where is the phone? The phone is on the table. Where is the bank? The bank is across the street. Where is the washroom? The washroom is down the hall to your left. Where is the bus stop? The bus stop is to your right. Where is the hotel? The hotel is in the city. Where is the doctor's office? The doctor's office is on the second floor. Where is the shopping center? The shopping center is in the next building. Where is Hema? Hema is in school. Where is the clock? The clock is on the wall. Where is the party? The party is in banquet hall. Where are you going? I am going to church. Where is the food? The food is in the refrigerator. Where is the football? The football is in the net. Where is the museum? The museum is on the second street. Where did you get these flowers from? I got these flowers from the florist. Where did you buy those shoes? I bought these shoes from the mall. Where is your mother? My mother is in the kitchen. Where do you live? I live in Mumbai.